Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G21 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's scroll down again, find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, because there we can find the proper option. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter developer options. As you can see right here, you do not even have to scroll down because the automatic system updates option is right here. So just tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your NOKIA G21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.